The James Webb Space Telescope is about to blow your mind. With its powerful lens, the telescope is peering into the deepest regions of the universe, revealing never-before-seen objects and phenomena. The images that the telescope is capturing are truly breathtaking, and they're rewriting our understanding of the cosmos. What secrets of the universe will the James Webb Space Telescope reveal? Welcome to Revel Discovery, your portal to a world of fascinating discoveries and awe-inspiring insights that will expand your understanding of the universe and beyond. By now, you've probably heard about this incredible piece of technology that has captured the attention and admiration of space enthusiasts worldwide. Ever since it embarked on its journey into space a few months ago, it has been spoiling us with a series of breathtaking images and visuals that push the boundaries of our understanding. The telescope's powerful lens is pointed towards the deepest regions of the universe, and as a result, our definition of surprise in astronomy pictures has been forever altered. At this point, it's safe to say that it's no longer a shock when the James Webb Space Telescope unveils yet another brilliant, ancient piece of the cosmos. Our expectations have been raised to unprecedented heights, and we expect nothing less from this trailblazing machine. The feeling we get when the telescope sends back a jaw-dropping space image can best be described as Webb has done it again. It's a mix of awe, excitement, and a touch of disbelief. Our jaws genuinely drop every single time, and we can't help but marvel at the sheer magnificence of the universe. And once again, Webb has astounded us. Last week, scientists presented an image captured by the telescope, revealing a mesmerizing view of a galaxy cluster in the process of merging around a massive black hole, which happens to house a rare quasar. Yes, you read it right, a rare quasar. Picture this, an incomprehensibly bright jet of light spewing out of the chaotic center of nothingness. It's a sight that defies our imagination and challenges our understanding of the universe. What makes this portrait even more fascinating is the fact that the quasar in question is considered to be an extremely red quasar. This means that it is located at an astonishing distance from us, residing in a primitive region of space that dates back to the very beginning of time itself. To the untrained eye, the image may appear as mere patches of color, but to those well-versed in the intricacies of astronomy, every detail is complex, mesmerizing, and unbelievable. And when you factor in the monster of a black hole at the center, it becomes an even more groundbreaking discovery. Now let's unravel the grandeur of this image and delve into its significance. First and foremost, we have the extremely red quasar, a special type of active galactic nucleus or AGN that boasts a supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy. The intense brightness of the quasar is a result of gas falling into the black hole, outshining all the stars in its galaxy combined. But what sets this quasar apart is not only its intrinsic red color, but also the redshifted light from its galaxy, caused by its immense distance from us. In fact, this quasar is one of the most potent galactic nuclei ever observed at such an extreme distance. Scientists have long speculated that the quasar's extraordinary emission could potentially induce a galactic wind, a force capable of expelling free gas from its host galaxy and significantly influencing future star formation processes within. Thanks to observations from the Near-Infrared Spectrograph or NIRSPEC, the scientific team behind the discovery was able to confirm the presence of 3 galactic companions orbiting the quasar. The archival data from the Hubble Space Telescope hints at the possibility of even more companions waiting to be unveiled. The fact that these 3 galaxies are orbiting each other at incredibly high speeds indicates the immense mass present within this region. When coupled with their close proximity to the quasar, this astounding observation leads the team to believe that they have stumbled upon one of the densest known areas of galaxy formation during the early stages of the universe. In fact, it is quite possible that what we are witnessing is the merging of 2 massive halos of dark matter. The implications of this discovery are mind-boggling, as Webb has essentially unraveled a surprising cosmic knot from the earliest epochs of our universe. Now, let's shift our attention to another galactic event that is currently unfolding, the majestic merger from the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxies. Prepare to be amazed. The Andromeda Galaxy, the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way, has been quietly making its way toward us for some time now. It appears as a faint patch of light in the dark skies, requiring intentional effort to observe. However, in the grand cosmic dance, Andromeda and the Milky Way are destined to collide. Picture this epic encounter: the Andromeda Galaxy hurtling towards the Milky Way at a staggering speed of 70 miles or 113 kilometers per second. These two celestial giants are currently separated by a distance of 2.5 million light-years, which means that the actual collision will occur approximately 5 billion years from now. This impending collision has been confirmed by groundbreaking research conducted as part of Project Amiga, or absorption maps of ionized gas in Andromeda, utilizing the remarkable capabilities of the Hubble Space Telescope. NASA has hailed this project as the most comprehensive study of the halo surrounding a galaxy. You see, all galaxies are encompassed within galactic halos, which consist of gas, dust, and stray stars. However, these elements are not easily visible and thus pose a significant challenge for astronomers to investigate. Nevertheless, the ingenious researchers involved in Project Amiga have managed to measure the size of Andromeda Galaxy by carefully examining the amount of light it absorbs from background quasars. What they discovered is astonishing. The halo of Andromeda extends far beyond its visible boundaries. In fact, it stretches an incredible 1.3 million light-years, reaching half the distance to our own Milky Way galaxy. In certain directions, it extends even farther, up to an astonishing 2 million light-years. While measuring the characteristics of the Milky Way's halo presents a significant challenge, astronomers believe that it shares many similarities with the halo of Andromeda. As a result, they have come to the conclusion that the faint halos of these galaxies have begun to intermingle, setting in motion the inexorable path towards their eventual collision. These scientific endeavors paint a vivid picture of a future in which the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxies will merge, ultimately giving rise to a single elliptical or football-shaped galaxy. However, this cosmic collision won't be a two-way dance. Another large galaxy in our cosmic neighborhood, the Triangulum Galaxy, located roughly 5 million light-years away, may also play a part. Although it may not directly participate in the merger, it could potentially collide with the Milky Way while the cosmic spectacle unfolds. In the vast expanse of the universe, galaxies are constantly interacting and colliding with one another. However, the collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way will have far-reaching consequences. It is predicted that as a result of this collision, our very own Sun will be flung into a new region within the merged galaxy. Just imagine the spectacle: our Sun embarking on a new journey, surrounded by a transformed cosmic landscape. It's a sight that would undoubtedly leave us in awe, but sadly, none of us will be alive to witness this extraordinary event firsthand. Yet, in a way, there is a certain beauty in knowing that this cosmic dance is unfolding, even if we won't be here to witness it. It reminds us of the vastness and wonder of the universe, igniting our imagination and sparking a sense of curiosity. We may not be able to witness the collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way, but we can take solace in the knowledge that such cosmic events continue to shape the fabric of our universe. It's a humbling realization that reminds us of our place in the grand tapestry of space and time. What aspect of space exploration or galactic collisions fascinates you the most? Engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell for regular updates. Keep watching, stay inspired, and get ready for more exciting discoveries. See you in our next episode.